Hello, everybody. Welcome back, and thank you for joining me for another throwback video. All right, so this painting is video number 386, I believe, and it was recorded back in October of 2021. But you guys are watching it on September 20th, which ironically is my birthday. Today is my birthday. Yes, it is. And it is 3 days before I move into the new house with the kids and Anthony and the dogs. So happy birthday to me. I am 46. Yes, and not embarrassed or shy or any of that to tell you my age. I am 46 years old today, September 20th. My gosh, where has the time gone? But I'm super excited. I'm pretty much packed up, ready to go. Moving in next week. Cannot wait to show you guys. Cannot wait to give you guys a tour of the new house and then, the whole building of the basement studio with my dad. But yes, it has been crazy busy, crazy stressful. Lots of anxiety because there's boxes all over the house right now. In every nook and cranny, there's boxes. The kids' beds have been taken apart. I mean, it is just a disaster. And if you guys know me, you know how I like everything to be super tidy, super clean, and everything in its place. So this is driving me nuts. But I cannot wait to just move into the new house. All right, so we've got here a triptych, and it is two 24 by 24 inch canvases on the outside, and the canvas in the middle is a massive 24 by 36 inch canvas. And I'm almost positive this was a commission for a client. Oh, look at me. There's a big, big, big jug. I had to do a couple of these jugs for this painting, for this triptych, and I'm using my titanium white by Amsterdam, of course. And momentarily, I will be telling you the colors I'm going to be using. Oh, there it is, titanium white. So that is my base. And if you guys want to know, anyone who's new watching wants to know how I mix my colors and my paints with water and Floetrol and the ratios, you can check out video number 434. That is a full tutorial on how I mix my paints for the perfect blowout. All right, so I'm just showing you guys my squeeze bottle that I use to do the edges when I do the edges of my paintings. All right, so now let's get to the colors. And, like I said, this is a voiceover. So if you want to see the original, go check that out. We've got Dioxazine Violet by Holbein. What's next? Let's see here. I'm talking a lot. Come on, Kanella. Move it along. Let's see. I'm holding some sort of red color. What's going on here? Come on. What is it? What is it? Carmine. Carmine by Amsterdam. Yes, this definitely is a commission piece because I would have never put red in my paintings. Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft, one of my still favorite colors to date. Prussian Blue Phthalo by Amsterdam. What do we got next? Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo. Loving these colors. What do we got next? Ooh, Silver by Amsterdam. That's right. My client did not want any gold in this. She was a silver person. Windsor Violet by Winsor & Newton. So there you go. Those are the colors. I was pretty sure I was thrown off by that Carmine, but wait till you see the end of this. It worked out so well. And there's the old hairdryer. The good old Conair old hairdryer. And I'm so glad I don't have that anymore. I actually threw it away a couple of months ago when I was purging for the move. And I said, I will never use this thing again. So I chucked it. Yep, I chucked it because there's no way I would ever use that because the new Flower hairdryer that I use works so much better than that ever did. But you don't know what you don't know, right? All right, so I am going to just kind of end it here. And I'll let you guys watch with some music in the background. And when I get to the end of this for the close-up, that is actually me speaking from 4 years ago. So that is not a voiceover that you're going to hear in the end. That is the actual footage from 4 years ago. But for now, I shall bid you adieu. And let me know in the comments what you guys think about this massive triptych. And I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Take care. Bye. It's been about half an hour. I have fixed all my edges. I have scraped all my drips. I've already gone ahead and done all that. So I'm just going to start, I guess let's just start here. I don't even know where to start. I love it. It's so pretty. And there's gonna be shimmer in here and it's gonna dry so rich and so bold. And then this is gonna get Krystal Resin. And it's going to be so nice. And you can see like there's the little bit of red there. It's also hiding in there. There's hints of it there. It's just, I'm so glad it came out. Maybe if I had put it maybe 2 colors up ahead, but you just don't know, right? You have no idea how it's gonna blow out. And that purple by Holbein is a really, really rich color. Now I love those cluster of cells there. There's some more red and some more red and more red. So there's some more. It's definitely, I don't want to reach too far because I don't want my apron going into the painting. But I'm super, super, super happy with this. I love it. And the metallic cobalt blue in this is so pretty too. And then the last piece, you'll see there's the red in there. There's some of it there. I like it. Nice, rich red there. Some more cells and clusters. I like that there. All right. This is a big piece. This is gonna take a long time to dry. A really long time to dry. All right, so there you have 1, 2, 3. I can't even get it all in one frame, even if I wanted to. Let's see. Oh, maybe I can if I don't trip. All right, let me turn the lights off and just do a quick with the flash. So I'm just going to do one piece. I'm not going to do all 3 because they're pretty much going to be all the same. But you'll see here, obviously, there's going to be shimmer. There's going to be a lot of shimmer in this because the silver was a metallic, the iridescent green blue was a metallic. So it's going to be pretty. Look at that. It's so pretty. It really is. Yeah, there's some more shimmer in there. So you get the idea. Look at that. Definite shimmer happening. All right, let's turn the lights back on. All right, everybody. So there you have it. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. It's probably going to take 5-6 days to dry. I hope it doesn't take that long because I got to do other videos, which I'll probably have to do on this end of the table. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. This is huge. I cannot wait till it dries. I cannot wait to resin it. And then I will show you guys the final piece when it's all resined and completed. There you have it, my friends. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.